You know what's a small spice with big benefits? Cumin seeds. They work best for so many things. For digestion, feeling bloated or having acidities. Cumin water is the best natural remedy for better digestion. For weight loss, it boosts metabolism, burns fat and helps in healthy weight loss. Just drink cumin seeds water in the morning. For skin, it detoxifies the body, reduce acne and give a natural glow from the inside out. For immunity, cumin seeds are packed with antioxidants, helps the body fight infection and stay strong. So yeah, cumin seeds are must have. Try them and see how they work wonder for your health. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel if you like this video. So please hit the like button, comment below which type of video do you want more.